gauge reading seems off.
Let me see. We need to report this immediately.
This cutaway shows how geological layers trap crude oil deposits far beneath the seabed, requiring massive structures and advanced drilling techniques to reach.
We have positive alignment on the guides.
Copy that. Engaging the hydraulic locks now. Looks good.
The drill pipe extends miles beneath the ocean floor, penetrating layers of sediment and rock to reach the reservoir deep within the earth.
Watch the line, bring it up slowly. Copy that, moving it now.
All stations, we are clear to proceed. Start the sequence now.
These massive pumps force the drilling fluid deep underground, cooling the bit and managing the critical pressure balance of the wellbore.
Look at the color on this one. Deeper than expected. We're hitting the shale layer now.
The drill must pass through thousands of feet of compacted sediment and hard rock before reaching the oil-bearing formations deep below the seabed.
Control, we have an annulus pressure warning.
Confirmed. The reading is unstable.
Initiate emergency shutdown procedures immediately.
The manifold pressure is stable. We are good to initiate the flow.
Confirmed. Let's bring it online.
The pressure on the injection line looks stable.
Confirmed. The compression equipment is holding steady at 150 bar.
The flow rate is steady according to the meter. Good. The separation looks stable through the sight glass too. Inside the separator, the turbulent well stream hits the diverter. Gravity takes over, allowing the natural gas to rise.
Acknowledged. Separation complete and confirmed. Check the flow rate on Unit 3.
It's holding steady after the chemical injection. The exchanger outlet is holding steady at 85. Looks stable. Maintain current steam flow. Keep an eye on the flow rate here.
Looks stable. We are clear for transfer.
Maintaining target pressure across the manifold.
Confirmed. The transfer rate is stable.
Operating hundreds of miles offshore, the FPSO acts as a floating refinery, processing and storing oil before it can be transported to shore.
Inside the FPSO, the crude oil is maintained at a precise temperature. Advanced sensors continuously. The system is currently stable. All indicators are reading green. We are clear for the transfer sequence.
hose down slowly, easy now.
Copy that, easy down.
Alignment looks good from here.
All engines slow ahead. Confirm distance to contact point.
500 meters, approach very slow. Looking good.
Adjust speed to 10 knots, confirm heading 090.
Confirmed, Captain. Speed 10 knots.
Bridge, passing vessel secure on the starboard side.
Engine room, maintain heading 190.
Tanker, confirm ready to receive messenger line.
Winch in slowly on 3 and 4. Aye, steady tension. Secured forward.
Bridge, this is deck. All lines secured, pressure holding steady.
Received, deck. Proceed with final confirmation.
Easy, easy now. Bring her down slow. Hold it right there. All right, connection secure.
All stations report green. Pressure stable.
Acknowledged. Initiating transfer protocol.
This marks the beginning of tanker loading. Dark, thick liquid spreads across the bottom of the tank, slowly rising, reflecting the dim light.
Flow rate holding steady at 500, but watch that pressure gauge.
Copy that. Pressures are stabilizing.
Yes, we are clear for transfer.
滩狗这边，压力管制，进机保持每小时2000桶的速度。
The cutaway view reveals the massive scale of the tanker's compartments as they steadily fill with crude oil. The oil transfer process never stops. As the sun sets, the day crew hands over to the night shift, ensuring constant operation.
We're at 98.5. Reduce the flow immediately. Confirmed. I'm bringing it down now.
Tension released. Crane, easy lift now. Roger that. Hose is airborne. Manifold clear. Operation complete. Winch engaged, pulling slack. All clear on the port side. Start the slow ahead.
Take the slack on the winch.
Copy that. Easy on the forward line.
Secured on bollard 4. All fast.
All stop on the forward winch. We are secure on bollard 4. Acknowledge.
Open the main valve.
Pressure is rising. We have flow.
Tank 7 is almost at capacity. Confirmed. Flow rate is steady.
The preheat is fluctuating at 375. I'm stabilizing the flow rate now. Keep an eye on the outlet temperature. Inside the column, crude oil is separated into distinct fractions based on their boiling points.
Purity levels are stable at 98%.
Good. Maintain the current flow rate to tank 3.
Purity levels are stable at 98%.
Good. Maintain the current flow rate to tank 3. All systems nominal. Initiating transfer sequence now. Make sure the grounding cable is secure.
The journey of energy is complex, touching every part of our lives, driving progress from the seabed to the skies. Pressure levels holding steady at the interstate junction.
Good. Maintain current flow rate and monitor the eastern pipeline closely.
Check the flow rate against the pressure reading here. It seems high.
I see it. I'm logging the anomaly now.
This is the key transition from bulk storage to local distribution. A monumental journey from the deep ocean floor, refined and transformed, powering the modern world we call home.